Hey guys, how have you been doing? This is Yash, and here are the top 10 apps for the month of June. As usual, links of all the apps shown in the video will be in the description down below. So with that said, let's dive right in. So starting off the show is Swiftly Switch, and this is a neat looking Sideswipe app, but unlike other Sideswipe apps, this app doesn't show you the apps and folder shortcuts, but instead it shows you the recent app that you have used. You can set up to 4 favorite shortcuts which you can access by swiping outwards in the recent app field. And aside from that, there's also a shortcut grid where you can set up shortcuts of apps and folders. And for setting, there's not much. You can change the icon size of the bubble and the background colors and animations. So yeah, that's basically it. So moving on, we have an app called Clap to Find. And through this app, you can find your phone by clapping 3 times. For setting up the app, you just have to save clap sound 3 times and choose the response profile like play sound, blink the flash or vibrate. The response of the app is pretty good. Most of the time it detects clap and starts ringing. So that's pretty much all. It's a very useful app and definitely worth to check out. Then we have an app called Baton. This app is pretty unique. What basically it does that it shows you the battery percentage of connected Bluetooth devices. Say if you have a pair of Bluetooth headphones or speaker and it doesn't show you the exact battery level of it, so then this app comes pretty handy. I use this mainly before I go out. I check the battery percentage of my headphones and my speakers. And let me tell you, this app has saved me a lot of times. So it's a must-have app to get. Following up is an app called Doze. And this app lets you save your phone's battery by restricting data network. So after enabling the app, whenever you turn off your screen, Doze will cut off the data transfer of the apps that runs in the background, thus saving the battery. You can choose which app you want to get data access after screen lock, and you can also set it up to turn off Wi-Fi after the screen is locked. There's also an aggressive mode. If you turn it on, Doze will only let the app access the network when it is open. This app has helped me save my phone's battery too. Next is an app called Dumpster, and this app essentially adds a recycle bin to your Android for your photos and videos. So if you ever accidentally delete any photo or video that you wanted to keep, you can easily restore it from the Dumpster app. If you want to restore any photo or video, just open the app, select the file and click restore, and you're done. With the free version, that's all you can do, but with the paid version, you can also back up everything in the cloud, which saves a lot of storage of your smartphone. This app comes really handy and it's well worth to try it. Then we have NPass, and this is one of the best password managing apps that I have ever used. You can save all your passwords in one place without being worried about it being hacked or leaked, since this app has military grade encryption. The user interface of the app is pretty simple. You just need to save up your password, whether it's for login, credit card, license or of your computer, then just set up and master password and you're done. Moving on, we have Tiny Apps. With this app, you can open apps and widgets in a floating window which you can move around on your screen as you like. You can open any app that is installed on your smartphone, and aside from that, you can also open widgets in a floating window. You can resize the windows by clicking on the bottom right and sliding inwards or outwards. There are also quick access shortcuts of apps like browser, music player, video player, notes and much more. This app really helps if you want to use multiple apps at the same time. Moving on is Twilight, and this app lets you sleep better at night. So in the night, our eyes get some trouble managing blue color, and with this app you can set up your screen according to yourself. You can set the color temperature, intensity and screen dimness. Aside that, you can also set up profiles according to time, like from sunset to sunrise. If you set up the profile from sunset till sunrise, so after sunset, Twilight will adjust your screen temperature as per that profile. Color temperature below 3500 Kelvin can help you sleep a lot, and I have tested it for myself and it really works, and I recommend you to check it for yourself. Coming up in the second last is All-in-One Toolbox, and this is one of the best smartphone managing app I have used. It has many features like App Manager, System Cleaner, it has an inbuilt Sideswipe app, and also a file manager which you can use if there's any problem with the stock one. And the feature that I like most is the CPU cooler. This app tells you the real-time temperature of your phone's CPU and you can cool it down straight from here. So it has many tools which you can use to manage your phone, and there are more add-on features which you can download to increase the functionality of the app. So the last is Magnify, and this app is a quick one. So this app adds tags to your Instagram photos in its specific category. In the app there are many categories like travel, food, nature, fitness and much more. Each category has specific tags relative to that term. To use this app, you just have to type Magnify and the name of category you want the tags of in the post on Instagram. Like for food, just type Magnify food and it will add the tags right away. And there's one more feature that you can set reminders for posting images on Instagram, and you can save up your own tags as well. Well, that's all. Simple and straightforward. So with that wraps it up for today's video. Please like the video if you liked it, subscribe for more future videos, and I will see you guys in my next video.